Unveiling the Catahoula Leopard Dog, Essential Breed Insights Chapter 1. Introduction. The Catahoula Leopard Dog is a fascinating breed with a rich history and a unique set of characteristics. In this chapter, we will explore the origin and evolution of this breed, providing readers with a comprehensive understanding of its background. Originating in Louisiana, the Catahoula Leopard Dog has deep roots in American history. The breed's ancestors can be traced back to Native American dogs brought to the region by Spanish explorers in the 16th century. These dogs were bred with various European breeds, resulting in the development of a versatile working dog known for its intelligence and adaptability. The Catahoula Leopard Dog's name pays homage to its origins in Catahoula Parish, where it was primarily used for herding livestock such as hogs and cattle. Over time, these dogs gained recognition for their exceptional hunting skills and became valued partners on ranches and farms throughout Louisiana. One notable feature of the Catahoula Leopard Dog is its striking coat patterns. The breed exhibits a wide array of colors, including merle, brindle, solid, or patched coats. This unique coat serves as both protection from harsh elements and camouflage during hunting expeditions. In terms of physical appearance, Catahoulas are medium to large-sized dogs with well-muscled bodies that reflect their working heritage. They possess strong legs that enable them to move swiftly and agilely over rough terrain. Their eyes are another standout feature. They come in various shades but are commonly referred to as glass or marble eyes due to their mesmerizing appearance. While size can vary slightly among individuals, Catahoulas typically stand between 20 to 26 inches tall at the shoulder and weigh anywhere from 50 to 95 pounds, depending on gender and genetics. It is important for potential owners to consider these dimensions when determining if this breed is suitable for their living situation. The temperament of the Catahoula Leopard Dog is another aspect that sets it apart. These dogs are known for their intelligence, loyalty, and determination. They form strong bonds with their families and strive to please their owners. However, their independent nature also requires a firm and consistent approach to training. In terms of compatibility with other pets and family members, Catahoulas can be highly adaptable. Their natural herding instincts may make them wary of strangers, but early socialization can help mitigate any potential issues. With the right introduction and training, they can coexist harmoniously with other animals in the household. As with any breed, health is an important consideration for potential owners. While Catahoula Leopard Dogs are generally healthy dogs, there are certain health concerns to be aware of. Common issues include hip dysplasia, deafness, particularly in merle-coated individuals, and eye problems such as progressive retinal atrophy, PRA. Regular veterinary checkups and responsible breeding practices can help minimize these risks. On average, Catahoula Leopard Dogs have a lifespan of 10 to 14 years when provided with proper care and nutrition. This longevity is influenced by various factors such as genetics, diet, exercise levels, and overall well-being. This introductory chapter has provided readers with a glimpse into the fascinating world of the Catahoula Leopard Dog breed. From its origins in Louisiana to its distinctive coat patterns and versatile temperament, this breed offers a unique set of characteristics that makes it stand out among others. Throughout this book, we will delve deeper into each aspect mentioned in this chapter, exploring the breed's physical appearance in Chapter 2, delving into temperament details in Chapter 3, discussing health concerns specific to Catahoulas in Chapter 4, providing guidance on care requirements in Chapter 5, addressing training techniques and socialization needs in Chapter 6, exploring suitable living conditions for these dogs in Chapter 7, diving into breeding practices and genetic information. In Chapter 8, offering insights on adoption and rescue options in Chapter 9, and finally, summarizing key points covered throughout the book in Chapter 10. Whether you are a current Catahoula Leopard Dog owner or considering adding one to your family, this book aims to provide you with comprehensive information to make informed decisions regarding this remarkable breed. So, let us embark on this journey together and uncover the wonders of the Catahoula Leopard Dog. Chapter 2, Characteristics. The Catahoula Leopard Dog is a breed known for its unique and striking physical appearance. In this chapter, we will explore the various characteristics that make this breed truly stand out. From their mesmerizing coat patterns to their sturdy body structure, we will delve into the distinguishing features of these magnificent dogs. One of the most notable aspects of the Catahoula Leopard Dog is its coat. These dogs possess a wide range of stunning colors and patterns that set them apart from other breeds. Their coats can come in solid colors such as blue, black, or red, or they may exhibit merle patterns with spots or patches of contrasting colors. This unique coat pattern gives them an almost leopard-like appearance, hence their name. In addition to their striking coats, Catahoula Leopard Dogs have a well-built body structure that reflects their working heritage. They are medium to large-sized dogs with strong muscles and a solid frame. Their deep chests provide ample room for lung capacity and endurance, making them well-suited for physically demanding tasks such as herding or hunting. Another distinguishing feature of these dogs is their eyes. Catahoulas are known for having captivating eyes that come in various shades and combinations, including blue, green, brown, amber, or even heterochromia, different colored eyes. This adds to their overall charm and uniqueness. When it comes to size and weight range, Catahoula Leopard Dogs typically fall within the medium to large category. Males usually stand between 22 to 26 inches at the shoulder and weigh around 65 to 90 pounds. Females are slightly smaller but still maintain a robust stature with heights ranging from 20 to 24 inches and weights averaging between 50 to 75 pounds. Aside from their physical attributes, it's important to note that Catahoula Leopard Dogs possess certain traits that contribute to their overall temperament and behavior. These dogs are known for being intelligent, independent, and highly energetic. They require mental stimulation and physical exercise to keep them happy and content. While Catahoulas are loyal and protective of their families, they can also be reserved with strangers. Early socialization is crucial to ensure they develop into well-rounded dogs that can comfortably interact with various individuals and animals. With proper training and socialization, Catahoula Leopard Dogs can become excellent family pets that are loving, affectionate, and devoted. Due to their high energy levels and intelligence, Catahoulas thrive in environments where they have ample space to roam and explore. A securely fenced yard is essential to prevent any escape attempts, as these dogs have a strong prey drive. They require regular exercise in the form of long walks, runs, or engaging activities such as agility training or herding trials. Grooming requirements for Catahoula Leopard Dogs are relatively low maintenance. Their short to medium-length coats only require occasional brushing to remove loose hairs and keep the coat healthy. Bathing should be done as needed or when they get particularly dirty from outdoor adventures. The Catahoula Leopard Dog is a breed that captivates with its unique appearance and charming personality. From their mesmerizing coat patterns to their sturdy body structure and captivating eyes, these dogs truly stand out from the crowd. However, it's important for potential owners to consider their high energy levels and exercise needs when determining if this breed is a good fit for their lifestyle. Chapter 3: Temperament. The Catahoula Leopard Dog, with its striking appearance and unique coat patterns, is not only known for its physical attributes but also for its remarkable temperament. In this chapter, we will explore the general temperament and personality traits of these dogs, providing potential owners with valuable insights into their compatibility with different household dynamics. Catahoula Leopard Dogs are known to be highly intelligent and independent. They possess a strong sense of loyalty towards their families and are protective by nature. These dogs form deep bonds with their owners and are often described as being fiercely devoted. One notable aspect of the Catahoula Leopard Dog's temperament is their strong work ethic. Historically bred as working dogs, these canines have a natural instinct to perform tasks and excel in various roles such as herding livestock or hunting game. Their intelligence allows them to quickly learn new commands and tasks, making them highly trainable in the right hands. Despite their intelligence and independence, Catahoula Leopard Dogs thrive on human companionship. They have a deep need for social interaction within a family setting. These dogs enjoy being included in family activities and often develop close relationships with all members of the household, including children. When it comes to interacting with other pets, Catahoula Leopard Dogs can exhibit varying degrees of compatibility depending on proper socialization efforts from an early age. With adequate training and introductions supervised by responsible owners, they can coexist harmoniously with other animals in the household. However, it is essential to note that each dog has its own unique personality traits that may influence how they interact with other pets. Given their protective nature towards their families, Catahoula Leopard Dogs may display territorial behavior when strangers approach or enter their living space. Early socialization is crucial in helping them differentiate between genuine threats and harmless visitors or new acquaintances. These dogs thrive when given mental stimulation through engaging activities such as puzzle toys or interactive games. Their intelligence and problem-solving abilities make them excellent candidates for advanced training exercises, agility courses, or even scent work. Regular exercise is also vital to keep them physically fit and prevent boredom-related behavioral issues. In terms of energy levels, Catahoula Leopard Dogs are considered highly active dogs. They require ample exercise to expend their energy and maintain their overall well-being. Long walks, jogs, or play sessions in a securely fenced yard are ideal ways to meet their exercise needs. Additionally, providing mental stimulation through obedience training or participating in canine sports can help channel their energy in a positive direction. When it comes to grooming needs, the Catahoula Leopard Dog's short coat requires minimal maintenance. Regular brushing is sufficient to remove loose hair and keep their coat looking healthy. However, during shedding seasons, more frequent brushing may be necessary to manage the increased amount of loose hair. The temperament of a Catahoula Leopard Dog can be described as intelligent, loyal, and protective. They thrive on human companionship and form strong bonds with their families. With proper socialization efforts from an early age, they can coexist harmoniously with other pets in the household. These dogs have high energy levels and require regular exercise and mental stimulation to stay happy and balanced. Understanding the temperament of a Catahoula Leopard Dog is crucial for potential owners considering this breed as a companion pet or working partner. By recognizing their unique traits and needs, individuals can make informed decisions about whether this breed aligns with their lifestyle and preferences. In the next chapter, we will delve into the specific health concerns that affect these dogs so that potential owners can be well informed about preventative care measures for optimal long-term health. Chapter 4, Health and Lifespan. The health and well-being of any beloved pet is a top priority for every responsible owner. In this chapter, we will dive deep into the specific health concerns that Catahoula Leopard dogs may face throughout their lives. By understanding these potential issues, we can take proactive measures to ensure the longevity and quality of life for our furry companions. Catahoula Leopard dogs are generally a healthy breed with a robust constitution. However, like all dogs, they may be predisposed to certain genetic conditions or common ailments that are important to be aware of. One notable health concern in Catahoula Leopard dogs is hip dysplasia. This condition occurs when the hip joints do not develop properly, leading to discomfort, pain, and reduced mobility. While it is primarily a genetic issue inherited from their parents, proper nutrition and exercise play a crucial role in minimizing the risk of developing this condition. Regular veterinary checkups can help detect early signs of hip dysplasia so that appropriate interventions can be implemented. Another health issue specific to this breed is progressive retinal atrophy, PRA, which affects the dog's vision over time. PRA causes degeneration of the retina and can eventually lead to blindness if left untreated. It is essential for owners to monitor their Catahoula Leopard dog's eyesight regularly and consult with a veterinarian if any signs of visual impairment are noticed. Additionally, Catahoula Leopard dogs have been known to experience deafness due to hereditary factors such as merle-to-merle breeding. It is crucial for breeders to follow responsible breeding practices and avoid pairing dogs with similar coat patterns to reduce the risk of deafness in offspring. To ensure optimal health throughout their lives, regular vaccinations and preventive care are essential for Catahoula Leopard dogs. Vaccinations protect against various infectious diseases such as rabies, distemper, parvovirus, and leptospirosis. Regular deworming and parasite control are also necessary to safeguard their well-being. Proper nutrition is vital in maintaining the overall health of Catahoula Leopard dogs. A balanced diet tailored to their specific needs will provide them with the necessary nutrients for growth, energy, and a strong immune system. Consultation with a veterinarian is recommended to determine the appropriate diet plan based on factors such as age, activity level, and any existing health conditions. Regular exercise is crucial for Catahoula Leopard dogs' physical and mental well-being. These energetic dogs require ample opportunities to burn off excess energy through activities such as long walks, runs, interactive play sessions, or engaging in dog sports like agility or obedience training. Adequate exercise not only helps maintain a healthy weight but also stimulates their minds and prevents boredom-related behavioral issues. Grooming needs for Catahoula Leopard dogs are relatively low compared to other breeds with longer hair. Their short coat requires minimal maintenance, only requiring occasional brushing to remove loose hair and keep it looking neat. Bathing should be done as needed or when they get particularly dirty from outdoor adventures. The average lifespan of a Catahoula Leopard dog ranges from 10 to 14 years. However, it's important to note that individual dogs may live shorter or longer lives depending on various factors such as genetics, overall health care, diet, exercise routine, and environmental conditions. By being proactive in managing their health care needs including regular vet visits, vaccinations, preventive care measures against common ailments specific to the breed like hip dysplasia or PRA, owners can ensure that their Catahoula Leopard dogs enjoy a long and fulfilling life by their side. In conclusion, understanding the potential health concerns that may affect this unique breed is crucial for every prospective owner. By familiarizing ourselves with these issues and taking appropriate preventive measures, we can provide our Catahoula Leopard dogs with the best possible care and support their overall well-being. In the next chapter, we will delve into the essential care requirements necessary to keep these dogs happy and thriving. Chapter 5: Care Requirements. Caring for a Catahoula Leopard dog requires knowledge and understanding of their unique needs. In this chapter, we will explore the various aspects of caring for these remarkable dogs, including exercise, diet and nutrition, grooming needs, and overall health maintenance. By providing comprehensive guidance on their care requirements, potential owners can ensure the well-being and happiness of their Catahoula Leopard dogs. 1. Exercise needs. The Catahoula Leopard Dog is an active and energetic breed that thrives on physical activity. Regular exercise is essential to keep them physically fit and mentally stimulated. These dogs have a high energy level and require plenty of opportunities to burn off excess energy. Taking your Catahoula for daily walks or runs is a great way to provide them with exercise. However, it's important to note that they have a strong prey drive, so keeping them on a leash or in a securely fenced area is crucial to prevent them from chasing after small animals. Engaging in activities such as agility training or participating in canine sports like dock diving can also be beneficial for these athletic dogs. Providing mental stimulation through puzzle toys or interactive games will help keep their minds sharp. 2. Diet and nutrition. Proper nutrition is vital for the overall health of your Catahoula Leopard dog. It's important to feed them high-quality dog food that meets their nutritional requirements based on age, size, and activity level. Consulting with a veterinarian or professional dog nutritionist can be helpful in determining the appropriate diet for your specific dog. They may recommend a diet rich in lean protein sources such as chicken or fish, along with healthy carbohydrates like sweet potatoes or brown rice. Avoid feeding your Catahoula table scraps or human food as it can lead to digestive issues or obesity. Make sure fresh water is always available to keep them hydrated throughout the day. 3. Grooming needs. Catahoulas have a short to medium-length coat that is dense and weather-resistant. Despite their natural ability to maintain a clean and healthy coat, regular grooming is still necessary. Brushing your Catahoula's coat once or twice a week will help remove loose hair and prevent matting. Additionally, regular brushing promotes healthy skin and stimulates blood circulation. These dogs are known for their distinctive coat patterns, often featuring striking leopard-like spots or merle patterns. Care should be taken not to damage the coat while grooming, as it can affect the appearance of these unique markings. Other grooming needs include nail trimming every few weeks, regular ear cleaning to prevent infections, and dental care such as brushing their teeth or providing dental treats to maintain good oral hygiene. 4. Health maintenance. Catahoula Leopard dogs are generally healthy dogs with a sturdy constitution. However, like all breeds, they are prone to certain health issues that potential owners should be aware of. Some common health concerns in Catahoulas include hip dysplasia, progressive retinal atrophy, PRA, deafness, especially in merle-colored individuals, and autoimmune disorders. Regular veterinary checkups are important to monitor their overall health and catch any potential issues early on. Ensuring they receive proper vaccinations and preventative treatments for parasites such as fleas, ticks, and heartworms is crucial for their well-being. Following a regular vaccination schedule recommended by your veterinarian will help keep them protected against infectious diseases. Understanding the average lifespan of Catahoula Leopard dogs is also essential in planning for their long-term care. On average, they can live between 10 to 14 years when provided with proper nutrition, exercise, veterinary care, and a loving environment. By being proactive in addressing their health needs through regular checkups and preventative care measures, you can help ensure a happy and healthy life for your Catahoula Leopard Dog. Connecting material. As we delve into the care requirements for Catahoula Leopard Dogs, it becomes evident that their unique characteristics and temperament play a significant role in shaping their needs. Understanding their high energy levels, prey drive, and athletic abilities allows us to tailor their exercise routine to meet those requirements. Similarly, being aware of potential health concerns associated with the breed enables us to provide appropriate preventative care and early intervention. The care requirements outlined in this chapter are crucial for maintaining the physical and mental well-being of Catahoula Leopard Dogs. By addressing their exercise needs, providing a balanced diet, ensuring proper grooming practices, and prioritizing health maintenance, potential owners can create a nurturing environment that promotes longevity and happiness for their beloved companions. In the next chapter, we will explore the importance of training and socialization in shaping the behavior of Catahoula Leopard Dogs. Understanding how these dogs learn and interact with their environment will equip potential owners with valuable knowledge to establish a strong foundation for positive behavior from an early age. Chapter 6. Training and Socialization. Training and socialization play a vital role in shaping a well-behaved and balanced Catahoula Leopard Dog. In this chapter, we will emphasize the importance of early training efforts to establish positive behaviors from an early age. We will provide tips for effective training techniques and insights into socialization needs to ensure these dogs thrive in various environments. Catahoula Leopard Dogs are known for their intelligence and independence, which can sometimes pose challenges during the training process. However, with consistency, patience, and positive reinforcement methods, you can develop a strong bond with your Catahoula and help them become well-mannered companions. The first step in training your Catahoula Leopard Dog is to establish yourself as a confident and consistent leader. These dogs respond best to firm but gentle guidance. It is important to set clear boundaries from the beginning and enforce them consistently. Use positive reinforcement techniques such as treats, praise, or playtime to reward desired behaviors. Basic obedience commands like sit, stay, come, and heel should be taught early on. Start with short training sessions multiple times a day to keep your dog engaged without overwhelming them. Break down each command into small steps and gradually increase the difficulty as they progress. Remember that repetition is key, consistency is essential for successful training. Socialization is equally important for Catahoula Leopard Dogs as it helps them become well-adjusted around people, animals, and different environments. Expose your dog to various situations including meeting new people of all ages, encountering other animals, both on lead and off lead, visiting different places like parks or pet-friendly stores. When introducing your Catahoula Leopard Dog to new experiences or individuals, always prioritize their safety by using appropriate restraints such as leashes or crates when necessary. Gradually expose them to new stimuli while observing their reactions closely. If they display signs of fear or anxiety, such as excessive panting, trembling, or avoidance behavior, take a step back and introduce the stimulus more gradually. To ensure your Catahoula Leopard Dog becomes well socialized, consider enrolling them in puppy classes or obedience training courses. These structured environments provide opportunities for controlled socialization with other dogs and exposure to various training exercises. Additionally, professional trainers can offer guidance and support throughout the process. It is important to note that early socialization and training are critical for preventing behavioral issues. In Catahoula Leopard Dogs, their independent nature makes them prone to assert dominance if not properly trained and socialized. By establishing yourself as a confident leader early on and providing consistent positive reinforcement, you can help prevent potential problems down the line. Furthermore, mental stimulation is essential for Catahoula Leopard Dogs as they are highly intelligent dogs, with a natural inclination towards problem-solving. Incorporate interactive toys, puzzle games, and obedience exercises into their daily routine to keep their minds engaged. Mental stimulation not only prevents boredom but also helps prevent destructive behaviors that may arise from pent-up energy. In addition to basic obedience training and socialization, it is important to address any specific behavior concerns that may arise during your Catahoula's development. Whether it's excessive barking, leash pulling, or separation anxiety, consult with a professional dog trainer or behaviorist who specializes in working with this breed. They can provide personalized guidance tailored to your dog's needs. Proper training and socialization are fundamental aspects of raising a well-behaved Catahoula Leopard Dog. Through consistent positive reinforcement methods and gradual exposure to new experiences, you can shape their behavior while ensuring they become confident members of society. Remember that each dog is unique. Tailor your approach based on their individual needs and personality traits. By investing time and effort into training your Catahoula Leopard Dog from an early age, you will establish a strong bond built on trust and respect. The training and socialization efforts you put in will result in a well-mannered companion who can adapt to various environments, making them a joy to have as part of your family. Chapter 7: Suitable Living Conditions. When considering adding a Catahoula Leopard Dog to your family, it is essential to understand the suitable living conditions that cater to their physical and mental needs. These dogs are known for their active nature and require an environment that allows them to thrive. In this chapter, we will explore the ideal living environments for Catahoula Leopard Dogs and discuss considerations for apartment living. Catahoula Leopard Dogs are highly energetic and need ample space to burn off their energy. Therefore, a house with a fenced yard is ideal for these dogs. A securely fenced yard provides them with the freedom to run, play, and explore without the risk of escaping or getting into trouble. The fence should be at least 6 feet high, as these dogs are skilled climbers and can easily jump over lower fences. In addition to a spacious yard, Catahoula Leopard Dogs require daily exercise to keep them physically fit and mentally stimulated. They excel in activities such as agility training, obedience trials, and scent work. If you live in an area with access to hiking trails or open spaces where they can roam off-leash safely, it would be beneficial for both you and your dog's well-being. However, not everyone has the luxury of owning a house with a large yard or living near open spaces. Apartment living can still be suitable for Catahoula Leopard Dogs if their exercise needs are met adequately. It is important to note that these dogs need regular walks or runs outside of the apartment environment to expend their energy fully. When living in an apartment with a Catahoula Leopard Dog, it is crucial to establish a consistent exercise routine. Daily walks should be long enough, at least 1 hour, and brisk-paced so that your dog gets sufficient physical activity. Additionally, engaging in mentally stimulating activities such as puzzle toys or training sessions will help keep their minds sharp. Another consideration when living in an apartment is noise level. Catahoula Leopard Dogs can be vocal and may bark when they are bored or feel the need to alert their owners. It is essential to provide them with enough mental stimulation and companionship to minimize excessive barking. Engaging in training exercises that focus on impulse control and teaching them appropriate barking behavior will also help create a harmonious living environment. Regardless of whether you live in a house or an apartment, Catahoula Leopard Dogs thrive when they have human companionship. These dogs form strong bonds with their families and enjoy being involved in daily activities. They are not suited for long periods of isolation, so if you work full-time outside the home, it is important to arrange for someone to spend time with them or consider doggy daycare as an option. When it comes to climate, Catahoula Leopard Dogs are adaptable and can live comfortably in various weather conditions. However, extreme heat or cold can be challenging for them. In hot weather, ensure they have access to shade and plenty of fresh water at all times. During colder months, provide them with appropriate shelter or clothing if necessary to keep them warm. Suitable living conditions for Catahoula Leopard Dogs include a house with a securely fenced yard that allows ample exercise opportunities. However, apartment living can still be suitable as long as their exercise needs are met through regular walks and mental stimulation activities. It is crucial to provide these dogs with human companionship and avoid leaving them alone for extended periods of time. Additionally, considering noise levels and providing appropriate care during extreme weather conditions will contribute to their overall well-being. As potential owners of a Catahoula Leopard Dog, understanding the specific requirements of this breed will help you create an environment where your dog can thrive both physically and mentally. Chapter 8: Breeding and Genetic Information Introduction. In this chapter, we will delve into the topic of breeding practices and genetic information related to Catahoula Leopard Dogs. Understanding responsible breeding practices, genetic diversity, and potential health concerns associated with the breed is crucial for anyone considering becoming a breeder or acquiring a Catahoula Leopard Dog. By exploring these aspects, readers will gain valuable insights into the importance of responsible breeding and how it contributes to the overall well-being of the breed. Responsible breeding practices. Breeding Catahoula Leopard Dogs should always be approached with care and responsibility. It is essential to ensure that both the male and female dogs are healthy, have undergone proper health screenings, and possess desirable traits that align with breed standards. Responsible breeders prioritize producing puppies that not only adhere to physical standards but also exhibit sound temperaments. They aim to improve the breed while minimizing potential health issues. Genetic diversity. Maintaining genetic diversity within any dog breed is vital for their long-term health and well-being. Inbreeding can lead to an increased risk of hereditary diseases and other health problems. Therefore, responsible breeders actively seek out unrelated dogs with diverse gene pools when planning matings. This helps reduce the chances of passing on genetic disorders while promoting overall vitality in future generations. Health concerns associated with the breed. While Catahoula Leopard Dogs are generally healthy dogs, there are specific health concerns that potential owners should be aware of. One significant issue seen in this breed is hip dysplasia, a condition where there is an abnormal formation of the hip joint leading to discomfort or even lameness. Responsible breeders screen their breeding stock for hip dysplasia by obtaining certifications from organizations like the Orthopedic Foundation for Animals, OFA. By selecting dogs free from this condition as parents, they can significantly reduce its occurrence in offspring. Another concern in Catahoula Leopard Dogs is deafness. This breed has a higher prevalence of congenital deafness compared to other breeds. Responsible breeders perform hearing tests on their breeding dogs to ensure that they are producing puppies with normal hearing abilities. By making informed breeding decisions, the occurrence of deafness can be minimized. Genetic testing is also essential in identifying any potential genetic disorders that may be present within the breed. Responsible breeders will test their dogs for various genetic conditions, such as progressive retinal atrophy, PRA, and coat color abnormalities to avoid passing these on to future generations. Promoting responsible choices. While breeding Catahoula Leopard dogs can be a rewarding endeavor, it is crucial for potential breeders to prioritize the health and well-being of the breed above all else. Responsible choices must be made regarding which dogs are bred, ensuring that they possess desirable traits while minimizing the risk of hereditary diseases. For those considering acquiring a Catahoula Leopard dog as a pet, it is equally important to understand the significance of responsible breeding practices. By supporting responsible breeders who prioritize health screenings and genetic diversity, potential owners can help contribute to the overall well-being of this unique and beautiful breed. Conclusion: breeding Catahoula Leopard dogs requires careful consideration and dedication to promoting the health and vitality of the breed. Responsible breeding practices focus on selecting healthy dogs with desirable traits while maintaining genetic diversity. By being aware of potential health concerns associated with this breed and conducting necessary health screenings and genetic testing, responsible breeders minimize risks and work towards improving future generations. For those seeking to add a Catahoula Leopard dog to their family, understanding responsible breeding practices becomes crucial in making informed decisions when choosing where to acquire their new companion. Supporting responsible choices not only ensures you bring home a healthy puppy but also contributes to preserving this remarkable breed for generations to come. Chapter 9: Adoption and Rescue Introduction. In this chapter, we will explore the various adoption options available for those interested in adding a Catahoula Leopard dog to their family. We will discuss the importance of considering rescue options and provide guidance on responsible choices when acquiring a new pet. Adoption options. When it comes to adopting a Catahoula Leopard dog, there are several avenues to explore. One option is to visit local animal shelters or rescue organizations that specialize in this breed. These facilities often have Catahoulas in need of loving homes. By adopting from a shelter or rescue, you not only provide a second chance for an abandoned or neglected dog but also contribute to reducing the number of animals in overcrowded shelters. Another option is to reach out to reputable breed-specific rescue groups or organizations dedicated to Catahoula Leopard dogs. These groups focus on rescuing and rehoming dogs of this breed, ensuring they find suitable forever homes. They often have extensive knowledge about the breed's specific needs and can provide valuable guidance throughout the adoption process. Rescue considerations. Considering rescue options should be an essential part of your decision-making process when looking for a Catahoula Leopard dog. Many people mistakenly believe that shelter dogs are problematic or damaged, but this couldn't be further from the truth. Rescue dogs can make wonderful companions and often possess incredible resilience and gratitude for finding a loving home. It's important to keep in mind that rescued dogs may come with some unknowns, such as their background or past experiences. However, reputable shelters and rescue organizations usually conduct behavioral assessments and evaluations on their dogs before putting them up for adoption. This helps match them with suitable families based on temperament compatibility. Additionally, adopting from a shelter or rescue organization typically includes benefits such as spaying/neutering, vaccinations, microchipping, and sometimes even basic training. These services can save you time and money while ensuring your new furry friend starts their life with you on the right paw. Responsible choices. When adopting or purchasing a Catahoula Leopard dog, it's crucial to make responsible choices. This means thoroughly researching potential breeders or rescue organizations to ensure they adhere to ethical practices. Responsible breeders prioritize the health, temperament, and genetic diversity of their dogs while avoiding harmful practices like overbreeding. If you choose to purchase from a breeder, ask for references, visit their facilities personally if possible, and inquire about health clearances for both parents. A responsible breeder will be transparent about any known health issues in the lineage and provide proper documentation. However, it's important to note that responsible breeding should never be an excuse for supporting irresponsible breeding practices. Overpopulation in shelters is a significant issue, which is why considering adoption or rescue options should always be your first choice when looking for a new companion. Final thoughts. Adopting or rescuing a Catahoula Leopard dog can be a rewarding experience for both you and your new furry friend. By choosing adoption, you provide a loving home to an animal in need while making space in shelters for other vulnerable animals. Rescue dogs often display immense gratitude and loyalty towards their adoptive families. Remember that adding any dog to your family requires commitment and dedication. Take the time to understand the specific needs of the Catahoula Leopard dog breed before making your decision. Whether you choose adoption or purchase from a reputable breeder, ensure that you are providing a loving and suitable environment where your new companion can thrive. By making informed and responsible choices throughout the adoption process, you contribute positively towards promoting ethical treatment of animals and help create happier lives for these remarkable dogs. In our final chapter, we will summarize the key points covered throughout this book on Catahoula Leopard Dogs. We will offer final thoughts on their suitability as pets based on various factors discussed so far, helping potential owners make an informed decision that aligns with their lifestyle and preferences. Chapter 10, Conclusion. As we reach the final chapter of this book, it is essential to summarize the key points covered throughout our exploration of the Catahoula Leopard dog breed. In doing so, potential owners can make an informed decision based on their lifestyle and preferences. Throughout this book, we have delved into the origin and history of the Catahoula Leopard dog in Chapter 1. We learned that these dogs have a rich heritage rooted in Louisiana's swamps and were initially bred for herding livestock and hunting wild hogs. Over time, they have evolved into versatile working dogs with an innate ability to adapt to various tasks. Chapter 2 focused on exploring the physical characteristics that make Catahoula Leopard dogs truly unique. Their striking coat patterns, ranging from solid colors to merle patterns with patches or brindle markings, are a hallmark of this breed. Their strong and muscular bodies allow them to excel in physically demanding activities. Potential owners can gauge whether their size and weight range align with their preferences by referring to the information provided. In Chapter 3, we delved into the temperament and personality traits of Catahoula Leopard dogs. These dogs are known for their intelligence, loyalty, and independence. They form strong bonds with their families but may exhibit a reserved nature towards strangers. Understanding how they interact with other pets is essential for potential owners, considering introducing them into multi-pet households. Health concerns specific to Catahoula Leopard dogs were discussed in Chapter 4. While generally a healthy breed, there are certain health issues that can affect them, such as hip dysplasia and eye disorders. By being aware of these potential health risks, potential owners can take preventative measures through regular veterinary care and appropriate exercise routines, tailored to their dog's needs. In Chapter 5, we explored the care requirements necessary for keeping a Catahoula Leopard dog happy and healthy. Regular exercise is crucial for these active dogs who thrive on mental and physical stimulation. A balanced diet and proper nutrition are essential for their overall well-being. Additionally, their unique coat requires regular grooming to maintain its health and appearance. Chapter 6 emphasized the importance of early training efforts to shape a well-behaved Catahoula Leopard dog. Their intelligence makes them quick learners, but consistency, positive reinforcement, and socialization from an early age are key factors in their development. By following effective training techniques and ensuring they are properly socialized, these dogs can thrive in various environments. In Chapter 7, we provided detailed information on suitable living conditions for Catahoula Leopard dogs. While they adapt well to different environments, including apartments with sufficient exercise opportunities, they truly flourish in homes with access to outdoor space where they can explore and engage in stimulating activities. Breeding practices and genetic information were explored in Chapter 8. Responsible breeding practices prioritize the health of the breed while maintaining genetic diversity. Potential owners seeking a Catahoula Leopard dog should be aware of potential health concerns associated with certain bloodlines or improper breeding practices. Chapter 9 focused on adoption and rescue options for those interested in adding a Catahoula Leopard dog to their family. Adopting from shelters or breed-specific rescues not only provides a loving home for a dog in need, but also promotes responsible pet ownership. The Catahoula Leopard dog is a remarkable breed that combines intelligence, loyalty, versatility, and striking physical characteristics. Understanding their origin, temperament, care requirements, training needs, suitable living conditions, breeding practices, and adoption options is vital before making an informed decision about bringing one into your life. Ultimately, this book aims to equip potential owners with comprehensive knowledge about this unique breed so that they can provide the best possible care for these wonderful dogs, who have captured the hearts of many around the world. May your journey with your Catahoula Leopard dog be filled with joy, companionship, and countless unforgettable moments. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on different dog breeds and stay connected with our community of passionate dog lovers. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn more about the wonderful dog breed.